Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline. I wanted to walk you through the basics on how to set up our valuables box for the camp speaker. First thing we're gonna do is put our passenger seat all the way back. And that's gonna let us get to this rail right here, which is the seat rail. Now it's gonna be a little tough for me to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna take this wire that comes with the kit and I'm just gonna loop it underneath the rail, and then you can go back on this back side and grab it like that. So you want to get this safety wire or this security wire looped around that bottom rail. Next, you're just going to fish one end through like that, and then you can pull this tight and get it out of the way. Okay. The other end in your box here is going to fit right in these slots. So if you take a look here, you can see the cable fits in these slots, and then when the lid is closed, the lid is going to block this from being pulled back out. So our box is set up now. I've got it cable strapped here so it can't be pulled out of the truck. We're gonna pull the camp speaker out and we're gonna put our valuables box in, and it clips in place like that. So you could take this strap here and tuck it in so it's out of the way. And there you have it. So we'll put the camp speaker away and we'll get that out when we need it. In our valuables box, it can be pulled out anytime we need it. And you can put whatever valuables you want in here. In this case, we've got a Glock, just for an example of what can be put in there. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think and what you need next for the Rivian.